Testing 1, 2, 3. This is one of our newest equipment. We have a reel for our pressure washer. This used to be an air reel, like this one right here. The trusty blue one was there. As I mentioned before, I like to keep everything coordinated. We have green air hose, pressure washer hose now, and green electric reel. We did have to, at the moment we don't have the EcoFlow, we sent back the EcoFlow under warranty to get something checked out because it wasn't charging as the rate that it was at home, and only was charging at 100 watts with our alternate charger from the car. And then when we brought it into the house, it wouldn't charge at all. So it would only charge up to 400. That took like about 10 hours, where it used to be one charge, 2 hours. And one charge, you just charge two. In one charge of 2 hours, you just charge completely up to 100. It started actually charging in 10 hours at a rate of 400 watts. So we sent that in under warranty. We're supposed to get a new one in about 5 to 10 days, which sucks. We're running with this tank itself. It's very noisy, but it is what it is for the moment. Thankfully, it's under warranty, so we're covered, and we just can't wait to get the new one back in. So adapting this air reel technically to a pressure washer reel, it wasn't too hard. We needed a few fittings from 1/4 to M22. And then we also made this connection over here to just make a quick connect over here. And if I've ever needed, so that wasn't a problem. I'll show you guys later how it works. Tighten this up. Well, make sure you put Teflon tape for water. All right, Joe's gonna come in through right now. Make sure it's tightened up as much as we can. Si está bien agarrado. Ya la agarraron. Ahí está ya. Yo creo que sí. Nada más. ¿Sí? Sí, chécale. Yeah. A las manos. So we're in the midst of trying to figure out how can we put this there. We don't have the bolts. The hose is being all over there. I'll show you later how it slowly retracts everything together. Alright, anyways, trying to record while we're doing this is not easy, eh? No tenemos la herramienta correcta. La hicimos, ¿no?
Sí. Ten.
Okay.
Ok, ahora sí vamos viendo. Mira, ponerle... Ella no está tan doblado, pero igual ponerle como que algo... no sé, una telita aquí, porque esta nota con el tiempo siento que va a dañar igualmente.
¿Y si le empujamos esa cosa ahí?
Sí, ¿no? Quedó bien, creo que ahí. Porque ahí topa el fierro.
Ahí sí está tomando el fierro.
A ver, voy.
Sí.
De una fue.
De una fue, yeah. Ahora jalémonos, so connect this, so we should be good. We're gonna check if make sure there's no leaks. Change the adapter, the quick connect from the blue one. Always have a backup. We have 3 backups just in case. This one, put over here. Make sure you wrap your brass with Teflon to prevent any leaks. Yeah. We haven't used this in such a long time, so I'm asking Juber if he still remembers how to turn it on. I was having trouble this morning how to turn it on. It was like flicking, like pulling, compared to the EcoFlow where it's just like you press and you press again. It turns the outlets on. One turns on the battery and then the other one turns out the outlets, and that's it. You're good to go. There you go. But that's the noise that we don't want to hear at 5 a.m. That's not the type of noise we want to hear at 5 a.m. At most, we want to hear a bit of the pressure washer, and after that, it's just maybe air compress. And when we do the air compress or we do anything, we could just close this up right here and kind of create a better sound, less sound. Yeah. So see. Ah, es que no saco. There you go. I'm assuming water has to go through all these hoses right now, but there you go. We got water, baby. Apágale. Préndele. Jale. No leaks, no nothing. We're good.